may I call on our next awardee, Sir Crisanto S. Magaway, also known as Sir Eureka.
Thank you, Sir and Ma'am. Buti na lang nakakain po tayo dahil baka magutom tayo pag bago tayo kumain ay ako'y pinagsalita. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed members of the school community, beloved colleagues, Father June, yan pa yata si Father June, Father Gino, and our brother seminarians. Good evening to all of you. Today, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude and reflection as we celebrate a milestone that is both humbly and profoundly meaningful. 30 years of service in this beautiful Catholic institution, Our Lady of the Pillar College, Kauai. As I look back on this journey, I am reminded of the countless moments that have shaped my career and soul. I began my adventure here as a grade school teacher in 1995, being the first batch of education graduate of OLPCC College of Education. Filled with passion and enthusiasm, eager to ignite the love for learning in the hearts of my young students. I remember those early days vividly, the laughter echoing through the four walls of the classroom, the curious faces peering up at me, and the joy of witnessing that spark of understanding light up a child's eyes. Its lesson was not just a curriculum requirement, it was an opportunity to inspire, to nurture, and to guide. I was not merely teaching subjects. I was planting seeds of faith, hope, and knowledge to these young minds. 15 years into my teaching journey, I was blessed with the opportunity to step into the role of grade school principal. This transition was not just a promotion, it was indeed a calling. Leading with compassion and integrity became my mission. I embraced the responsibility of fostering an environment where both students and teachers could flourish. I remember the late nights spent planning, the meetings filled with passionate discussions, and the joy of celebrating our students' achievements. After 13 long years working with the school community, the grade school was able to achieve 3 PASCO visits, making the grade school the only level 2 accredited school in Central Isabela. Each day in those 13 years of leadership was a testament to the power of community, collaboration, and shared purpose. As I reflect on those years, I am reminded of the values that are at the core of our Catholic education: faith, service, and love. These principles guided me as I navigated the challenges and triumphs of leadership. I sought to create a nurturing atmosphere where every child felt valued, respected, and inspired to reach their fullest potential. Together, we celebrated milestones, supported one another through difficulties, and created a tapestry of memories that will forever be woven in the fabric of our school. After 13 fulfilling years as a grade school principal, I transitioned to the role of the junior high school principal. This new chapter brought fresh challenges and opportunities. I embraced the chance to guide our students through those few years of growth and self-discovery. For more than a year now in high school, I have witnessed their transformation from children into young adults, navigating the complexities of adolescence with grace, humor, and resilience. I found joy in encouraging their passions, supporting their dreams, and helping them understand the importance of their faith in navigating the world around them. I was also given the opportunity to be trained as PASCO accreditor, and was member of the PAASCO team for 2 school visits now. The first one was in Rojas City and recently in Cebu City. These experiences have widened my horizon as a teacher, a leader, and as a new PAASCO accreditor, which will eventually help me and my junior high school team to undergo accreditation for the coming school year 2025-2026. Throughout these 30 years, I have been blessed to work alongside incredible educators, dedicated staff, and supportive families. In the grade school alone, I have spent 28 years of fruitful working relationship with them. Yung iba, nag-resign na po, wala na po, matagal na. And even though I have only worked in the junior high school for almost 2 years, I felt their acceptance and love. Today, I am deeply honored and thankful. First, with our Almighty God for His immense love and guidance to me for the past 30 years of service in this beloved institution. His presence has been my strength and His wisdom has illuminated my path. Secondly, with the Board of Trustees for their trust and confidence. And of course, I can't forget the late President Emeritus, Monsignor Marini D. Gatan, who taught me the value of punctuality and who happened also who officiated also our marriage and motivated me to enroll in the graduate school. Thank you, Mons. At kung nasaan ka man ngayon, I am really thankful for what you have done to me. To Sir June, my immense gratitude for your guidance and support throughout this journey. Your leadership has been a beacon of inspiration, and your commitment to our mission has profoundly impacted my life and the lives of many others. Thank you for your unwavering dedication and for being a true mentor. I am grateful to have worked under your guidance. You are not only a leader to me, but a brother who readily opens his arms in times of difficulty and challenges. To Sir Frank, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for your invaluable guidance and support. Your leadership in academic affairs has been instrumental in our success and has greatly enriched my experience. Thank you for your unwavering dedication and for being such a wonderful mentor. You were instrumental too in my graduate school, being my advisor in thesis and dissertations. I truly appreciate all that you have done. To Sir Nuver, my heartfelt gratitude for your guidance in the wise utilization of our school's resources. Your expertise and insights have been invaluable in ensuring our financial sustainability. I would always love to hear your advices to me when it comes to utilizing our school. And sinasabi mo palagi sa akin, yung konting matipid ng bawat isa, pakikinabangan ng karamihan pagdating ng araw. And truly it is. And of course, to Madam Pilar, my first mentor with whom I worked for 15 years as a classroom teacher. Thank you for being such a wonderful mentor too. Your leadership and vision have greatly influenced my teaching career and inspired me to strive for excellence. To our college deans, I want to express also my heartfelt gratitude for the collaboration and camaraderie we have shared. Working alongside you has enriched my experience and has greatly contributed to our school's success. To the principals of the basic education, Dr. Loy and Dr. Erlin, I want to express also my heartfelt gratitude for the collaboration and friendship we have built. Working alongside such dedicated professionals has been a truly enriching experience. Thank you for your support, insights, and shared commitment to excellence in education. I look forward to continuing our journey together in the future. To the office heads, Sir Early in the HR, Ma'am Tina in the registrar, Sir Jen in the guidance, Sir Toto in the outreach, Ma'am Mirna in the library, Sir Fred in the property custodial, Ma'am Joy in the campus ministry, Sir Roel in the research department, and Sir Nario in the physical plant, including the employees under these offices. My sincerest appreciation for the collaboration and support we have shared. Working with each other has been a rewarding experience. Together, we have built community rooted in love and faith. I have seen firsthand the impact we can have on the lives of our students, shaping not only their minds, but also their hearts. The laughter, the tears, and triumphs and challenges have all contributed to the rich tapestry of experiences that I will carry with me forever. To the faculty and staff in the grade school with whom I worked for 28 years and in the junior high school for almost 2 years now, I want to express my deepest gratitude to each of you. Collaborating and working alongside such dedicated teachers and staff has been the highlight of my career. Thank you for your hard work, support, and commitment to students and community. I am truly grateful for the memories and accomplishments we have shared. To my family, who have been my daily strength and inspiration throughout the past 30 years, thank you for your unwavering support and understanding. I know that at times, my attention and time were divided, but your love has always been my foundation. And last but not least, our utility and maintenance staff. Thank you as well. Your hard work and dedication have been essential to our daily operations and the well-being of our school community. And as I stand tonight, I am reminded that this journey was never about me alone. It was about every one of you, students, parents, colleagues who have shared in this mission. Your support, your dedication, and your unwavering faith in our shared vision have made this journey possible. As I look to the future for the next 10 years, I carry with me the lessons learned and the love shared over these 3 decades. I am excited about what lies ahead for our school community. Together, let us continue to inspire, nurture, and guide our students as they embark on their journeys of faith and learning. Thank you for allowing me to be part of your lives and for sharing in this incredible journey. Mabuhay tayong lahat at maligayang Pasko.